Welcome back to our channel, continuing our MATLAB series. Today, we will talk about 3 more commands and the difference between them. If you haven't watched our previous videos, you can find the playlist link in description, so without further ado, let's start. The first command we will talk about today is fix command. Fix command rounds a number towards 0. To understand this concept, think about a number line in which the center point is 0, and on the left is negative infinity, while on its right is positive infinity. So a number that lies in negative region will be rounded towards 0. That means left to right. While if the number lies in positive region, it will be rounded towards 0 by moving right to left. As you can see here in the examples, 2.5 was rounded to 2. The next command for today is the floor command. Floor command rounds a number towards negative infinity. That means any number provided will be rounded towards negative infinity. Either it is in positive region or negative region. See some examples. As you can see here in the examples, negative 0.5 was rounded towards negative 1, and positive 1.5 was rounded towards 1. To understand the concept better, let's see the number line. So on the number line, we know that negative infinity is on the left side. So any number used with floor command will be rounded from right to left towards negative infinity. The third and last command for today is ceil command. The ceil command is the opposite of floor command, which means that ceil command rounds off a number towards positive infinity. Let's see some examples to understand the concept better. Now, see the difference between these 3 commands. Let's use variable x for fix command, y for floor command, and z for ceil command. After that, let's assign them same value and see the results. As you can see that all 3 of them gave different result. It's good to understand their difference and to learn their uses, which we'll discuss in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, since 67% of our audience are non-subscribers. If you like the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and share your feedback in the comment section below. Till then, take care and stay tuned for more upcoming content.